Do you think HR will reject you because you make grammar mistakes? Let me tell you something important. Interviewers are not looking for perfect English. They are looking for someone who can communicate clearly, stay confident, and show a positive attitude. So, if you're a beginner, don't worry. In this video, I'll share 7 simple tips that will help you speak English confidently in any interview, even if your English is basic. Let's begin. Tip 1. Speak slowly. The biggest mistake beginners make is speaking too fast. They think fast English sounds fluent. But the truth is, speaking slowly makes you sound more confident. Take a small pause after every sentence. For example, my name is Harsh. I recently completed my graduation. I am excited about this opportunity. A calm speaker always leaves a better impression. Tip 2. Use simple English. Don't try to impress HR with difficult words. Simple English is professional English. Instead of saying, I possess exceptional communication competencies, just say, I communicate well with people. It's easier, natural, and much more confident. Tip 3. Learn ready-to-use interview sentences. Memorize a few professional expressions. For example, thank you for giving me this opportunity. I appreciate your question. That's an interesting question. Could you please repeat the question? I'm always willing to learn. These sentences make you sound polite and professional. And here's something exciting. I'm starting a 21-day series of ready-to-use interview sentences that you can practice every day. Stay with us and let's crack your interview together. Tip 4. Don't be afraid of small mistakes. Nobody speaks perfect English. Even fluent speakers make mistakes. If you make a small grammar mistake, don't stop. Keep speaking. Confidence is more important than perfection. Tip 5. If you don't understand the question, never pretend that you understood. Instead, say politely, I'm sorry, could you please repeat the question? Or, could you please explain that once more? This shows confidence and honesty. Tip 6. Smile and maintain eye contact. Your body language speaks before you do. Sit straight. Smile naturally. Maintain eye contact. Avoid looking at the floor or speaking with your head down. Tip 7. Practice every day. Confidence doesn't come overnight. Practice speaking for just 10 to 15 minutes every day. Answer common interview questions in front of a mirror. Record your voice. Listen to yourself. Improve a little every day. Small improvements lead to big confidence. Final message. Always remember these 5 things before entering an interview. Speak slowly. Use simple English. Smile naturally. Maintain eye contact. Believe in yourself. You don't need perfect English to get your dream job. You need preparation, confidence, and clear communication. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Comment below and tell me, which interview question makes you the most nervous? I'll answer it in one of my upcoming videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson.